This tutorial is a companion to the Working with the Editor Introduction tutorial and focuses on editing in bulk the record font color. Using the timeline described in the introduction tutorial, the Group 1 records were hidden and the editing of the font color will be applied to the visible records. Start by opening the editor window. Select Font Color from the Attribute to Edit field. Then set the scope of the records to edit to visible records. The Data View section will then populate with the list of font colors that are used with the visible records. Because the Group 1 records are not currently visible in the display view, the blue value is not displayed in the data view as none of the remaining visible records has that font color. The Group 1 heading record has the background set to blue but the font color is gray. With the font color attribute, the following editing operations are provided. To modify a font color, select the color to modify from those listed in the data view table, then click on the pen icon from the operations sidebar. The color wheel window will open in which you can select the new color. The records which font color is equal to the one being modified will have their font color set to the new selected color. In our example, let's change the records with red fonts to Orchid. To delete a font color, select the color to delete from those listed in the data view table, then click on the trash bin icon from the operations sidebar. The records with the deleted color will have their font color set to black. For our example, let's delete the Orchid color. Let's reset the timeline by changing those black records back to their original red color.